Hello my friends, welcome to Code Guy channel. This is video about how to implement the Luhn algorithm. This algorithm is also known as a Models 10 or Mod 10 algorithm. In the description of the task we have a picture. It shows us what exactly we're supposed to do here. We need to create a function that will accept the string. We need to take the string and convert it to the list of numbers. In the picture example, this list is represented as an account number. I'm not sure what exactly you stuck with to watch this video, but I had troubles to understand that we have to iterate from the right side of the list. So we're going from the 1, then 8, 8, 4, 1, 9, and etc. Every second value of this list is supposed to be doubled. It becomes 16, 4, 8, 9, 18, and 5, 10. If the result of doubling digits is greater than 9, then sub the digits to get a single digit, or subtract 9 from the result. It means that 10 becomes 1 and 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. 18, it is 1 and 8, that becomes 9. 16, it is 1 plus 6, that equals 7. Or we can just subtract 9 from the result. 10 minus 9, it's 1. 18 minus 9, it's 9. 16 minus 9, it's 7. Then we need to count the sum of all the numbers in the list. In our example, the sum is equal 42. If the number is not multiple of 10, we get invalid number. If the sum of the numbers, let's say, would be 50, it will be the valid number. Let's start coding. We need to define function verify card number that will be accepting string. I will call it card number. Let's come back to the tests. I want to show you something. This card number could be just string of the digits, like you see it in the second test, or the string that is consists from the numbers and hyphens, like you see it in the test number 3. It also can have empty spaces, like in test number 5. We need to consider all of these cases when we will convert our string into the list of numbers. First of all, I will create the variable digits list. I like to use a list comprehension syntaxes when it is possible. It makes the function more readable. We will assign it to the list that has a for loop for d in card number, where d will be a digit. Each d variable we need to convert inside a digit with the int function. And of course, it will happen only if d is a digit, so we add if statement here. There is a special method for these purposes, isDigit. Every time when it is digit, it will return true, and it will add it to our list of digits. Let's create a total variable and assign it to the 0. It will be a sum of all digits in a digits list. Then we need to reverse all the digits in a digits list. Instead of 4, 5, 3, 9, 1, 4, 8, 8, 1, we will get 1, 8, 8, 4, 1, 9, 3, 5, 4. Why we are doing it? Because we need to start from the right side, from 1, 8, 8, 4, and etc. If we're reversing the list, the check digit is always at index 0. We will just skip the index 0 and double every digit at an odd index. And it makes the pattern simpler. The next step, we need to add for loop. For index, digits in enumerate digit list. Enumerate function allows us to enumerate through the index and value together. If statement allows us to double every second value. It means that we need to increase in twice every value that has odd index. If index for division by 2 equals 1, it means it's odd. Digit increase by 2. And also, if we're already iterating through each value, we will check if digit is more than 9. If it is so, we will take away 9. In the end of the for loop, we need to increase total value by adding to total digit every time. In the end of the function, we need to return valid or invalid string. I will use a short version of if-else statement. Return valid if total for division of 10 equals 0, else invalid. Just to remind you, the for division allows us to check if we can divide two numbers without the rest. Our algorithm is completed. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.